Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about external DTD and how to write external DTD. So, we have created one XML document which contains note as a root element and to, from, heading and body as a child element. Now, open a new notepad file. So, we have opened a new notepad file and write directly various elements without writing doc type tag. So I am writing element root and sequence of to, from, heading and body child. Complete the element and then I am writing our second element or a first child element which is a 2 and specify data type of this element. I am specifying PC data. Now all other things are same as in internal DTD. We are just specifying various elements of our document. Now I am writing for heading. My heading also contains PC data type and finally body element. Now save this document where your XML file exists and save this document using your file name .dtd extension. Now go to your XML document. In XML document, after writing XML version, write doc type tag and then your document. After that write system and then in double quote your DTD file path. My DTD name is not.dtd, so you have to write path with its extension and close doc type tag. Now go to the folder where your XML file is stored and open the XML file and let's run. We can see doc type tag is displayed in the external DTD. This doc type tag is also displayed in internal DTD. So this is the common, but in this external DTD whole doc type tag is displayed. All other things in output is same. We can see node which is our root node and our data in this output. So this is about how to create external DTD file and reference it to our XML file. Thank you.